and the Samajwadi Party, which have now raised strong objections to the recent changes in the seating arrangements of Parliament's front row, accusing the BJP-led government of modifying the previously agreed upon formula. The seat of Ayodhya MP, which has been moved from the front row to the back, sparking off a major reaction from the Samajwadi Party, which the party is now demanding front row seats in Parliament, calling to change the seating arrangements as unfair. The party, which has also stated that they have raised the issue and has received assurances that it will be addressed and would be rectified.
जो सेटिंग व्यवस्था को बदला गया, सिटिंग व्यवस्था को, तो समाजवादी पार्टी समझती है कि उसको लेके वार्ता की गई है और आश्वासन मिला है कि उस पर विचार करके उसको सही कर दिया जाएगा। तो जो विपक्ष में समाजवादी पार्टी का पहली पंक्ति में स्थान है, जो साथ में अवधेश प्रसाद जी भी बैठते थे, वो व्यवस्था फिर से लागू हो, पुरानी व्यवस्था रहे, इसकी मांग समाजवादी पार्टी ने की और समाजवादी पार्टी को भरोसा है कि उस मांग को मान लिया जाएगा।
Meanwhile, the Congress MP Pramod Tiwari, who has weighed in, highlighting that Avdesh Prasad, who is the MP there, is a senior leader, and that the Samajwadi Party is the second largest opposition party in Parliament, arguing that at least 2 front row seats should be allocated to them.
कांग्रेस पार्टी इस बात से सहमत नहीं है जो सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट हुआ कि समाजवादी पार्टी की 2 से 1 सीट कर दी गई। अवधेश प्रसाद जी वरिष्ठ हैं, 37 से ज्यादा की संख्या है, दूसरी सबसे बड़ी संख्या है विरोध में, उनकी 2 सीट कायम रहनी चाहिए। अब भारतीय जनता पार्टी के अंदर मंत्रियों को लेकर झगड़ा चल रहा है, उसकी कीमत सापा कांग्रेस को चुका है।
Niyamika is on the phone line with us. Niyamika, can you help us understand what this entire controversy is all about, this row over Parliament's seating arrangement?
Well, recently also we have seen that how the Congress party had raised an objection in which it had demanded that the senior leaders of the Congress party needs to be given in the sitting arrangement in the front row, and for that reason the sitting arrangement had also got changed. But even after that, the Samajwadi party has got just 1 seat in the front row, which has created a rift between the Samajwadi party and the Congress, as it is being told to us by the insiders of Samajwadi party that they are not really happy with the manner in which the sitting arrangement has got changed, as they are saying that Mr. Avdesh Prasad was also given earlier a seat in the front row, but now he has been shifted behind, and for that reason they are saying that they have just got 1 seat in the front row, which is of Akhilesh Yadav, which is unacceptable at all, as they were saying that this is being done on the part of the Congress party. The request they had made without having any kind of consultation with the Samajwadi party, and that is the reason why they were not really happy with this decision of the Congress. However, now a clarification has also come on the part of the Congress party, as it is the deputy leader in Rajya Sabha, Mr. Pramod Tiwari, who has spoken about this entire issue, as he has said that they are also not very happy with which the Samajwadi party has given just 1 seat in the front row, as they are also saying the Congress party also believes that at least 2 seats needs to be given to the Samajwadi party, because it is the second largest opposition party in the Lok Sabha, and for that reason they are also saying that we are also in contact with the speaker of Lok Sabha, and it might be possible that soon this decision will be changed, and at least 2 seats needs to be given to the Samajwadi party. They are also blaming the BJP over this, saying that there is basically a rift within the BJP, as the ministers are not happy with their sitting arrangement, and that is the reason why this brunt is now being faced by the opposition.
All right, Niyamika, thank you for joining us with all these details.